In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transport a Happy Ghast to the Overworld in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. The process is simple once your Happy Ghast is ready. You will begin by growing a Ghastling into a Happy Ghast. This can be done in either the Nether or the Overworld, so choose the location that is easiest for your setup. Make sure the area around it is open enough for the full-sized Happy Ghast to move comfortably. Since this creature becomes much larger when fully grown, space matters before you try to transport it anywhere. Once the Ghastling has grown into a Happy Ghast, the next step is to equip it with a harness. The harness is what allows you to ride the Happy Ghast and control its movement. Without it, transporting the mob through a portal will be much harder. After the harness is attached, mount the Happy Ghast and get comfortable with steering it in open space. Smooth control will help when lining it up with the portal. Now move over to your Nether portal. This is the most important part of the process. The inside opening of the portal must be large enough for the Happy Ghast to fit through. If the portal is too small, the Happy Ghast will not pass cleanly, and the teleport will fail or become awkward to manage. Before you begin, double-check that the full body of the Happy Ghast can enter the portal area without colliding with the frame. With the portal prepared, guide the Happy Ghast directly into it while you are riding. Keep your movement steady and centered so the mob stays inside the portal field long enough to trigger teleportation. Once it is in position, wait for the teleport to complete. Do not rush away too early. Give the game a moment to fully transfer both you and the Happy Ghast to the other side. After the teleport finishes, you should arrive in the Overworld with your Happy Ghast. At that point, you can continue riding it and exploring as normal. If needed, guide it into a safe open area right after arrival so it has room to move comfortably. That covers everything you need to know.